Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we're looking at a brand new 2024 new floor plan, the Grand Design Imagine XLS. It's the 24BSE. 2 slide outs, nice master bedroom with the slide, dinette up front that I'm sitting at here, 2 access doors. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slides in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. Always remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Also, check down in the description. I have all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements. And remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, standing at the entry door looking in, your dinette to the right, your slide with your theater seats. You got an interesting little angle here, getting into the bedroom or bathroom. That's where we'll start. Well, this will be a first. We'll start in the bathroom. So kind of a hallway bathroom deal, but you've got an outside door. You've got plenty of room around the toilet, storage, exhaust fan, AC duct. You've got the retractable shower door, and it's kind of got that textured look, so basically makes it so you can't see through it. But self-cleaning. You got a skylight. I'm 6'5". My head touches, so probably a little less than 6'5". You can be comfortable, but overall, nice, good size bathroom. So if someone was in the shower, you could still be utilizing the sink with no issues. Nice spot for a trash can, medicine cabinet. Your windows do have shades. You got a solid door to close off the bathroom. And then you've got your master bedroom. So what you've got in here is tons of storage underneath the bed. But because this bed is on the slide out, you got a little comforter that's included. You've got your queen walk around bed here. Lots of storage, huge windows with shades. You've got windows all around that all open. Overhead storage. Little shelves there. Again, Rollershades throughout. You've got receptacles and charging areas throughout. Heat ducts. 2 AC ducts in the bedroom. One thing new on the 24s, the LED light strips in the ceiling, which is a nice feature there. You can control that right from the wall. You got a spot for a TV on the wall, mirror, no carpet, so nice and clean. Another exhaust fan. In the kitchen, your pantry, storage, 12-volt refrigerator, freezer. You've got twice the depth almost from your standard gas electric fridge. Your oven, it's got the LED lights, pots and pans drawer, lots of drawers full throughout. This flush mount cover on top's got your 3-burner range. Exhaust does exhaust outside. Microwaves at a good height. You've got your rolled up sink cover, but that does cover the whole sink here. Large stainless steel sink. You've got good storage. Your Compass Connect is in the cabinet here, but control your lights, your awning, your slides, check your holding tanks. You've got these light strips in the living area, which have dimmers, and you can control them from here as well. Your TV is a Roku smart TV. It's on a swivel arm and easy access to your hookups. Again, ducted AC. Speaking of the TV, you're directly across from the TV with these theater seats. 4 cup holders, heat massage LED, your pull cord for your footrest. You've got lights, all your windows open, roller shades, thermostat. You got charging areas, your heat ducts in the wall as well, nothing in the floor. More charging areas here. Again, linoleum throughout. Lots of cabinet storage. Under the sink, a little cubby there. And then good sized drawers throughout. Countertop space is a must. You got your charging area here as well. And again, another roller shade. Spray head pulls out. Your dinette, so huge dinette. Sit several people on there. It's in the down position now. This telescoping dinette you've seen in the Transcends, you've seen in the Reflections. In the down position, your cushions on the ends. You hear that Velcro, that gives you that stability. But there's your dinette. You can remove those back cushions if you like, or leave them there if you need the extra cushioning when you guys are lounging. But easy setup and breakdown of the dinette. You got 2 levers. Once you pull these levers, the table is going to be ready to telescope up. Lock them in place. It also makes it nice and sturdy. You can turn the table, you can move it around. So if it's just 2 of you, you can turn it. But easy to move it, set it up, and get ready to eat there. Overhead storage, you got shocks that hold it up. New darker accents. Fire escape window does open, and again, roller shades. Got a night light that's motion sensor down low, receptacles. Your brand new 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 24BSE. We'll work our way outside. Take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside. Still same front logo on the XLS. Model number on the tongue jack. 2 20-pound LP bottles and the spot for 2 batteries. It will come with 1. You've got a dry weight of 6,124 pounds. Nice liner inside the pass-through storage. Solar controller, battery disconnect, your solar disconnect, outside shower, water hookup, all in one convenient area. You got your dock for your tire link, light switch, nice clean storage. Feed everything through the bottom so you can keep that door shut. The door having the magnet that holds it up. You have 2 latches, again keeping that secure seal. Mentioned the magnet. Nice deep slide out. Moving down the side, you've got the back side of your furnace and your tankless water heater. Your Goodyear Endurance tires. We're looking at 14-inch. You've also got all 4-corner manual stabilizer jacks. Take a look in the link below. I have a video on that. You've got a holder for your sewer hose, your black and gray pool valves. You got 2 gray tanks on this. You've got 30 amp service, factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. All right, your AC, your 165 watt solar panel, TV antenna, roof vents. Top of both slide outs, your skylight, nice clean roof. You got your prep for backup camera. Receiver on the back is rated for 300 pounds. It's not for towing, but it is set up. You could do a bike rack, storage bin, something like that on the back. You've also got gutter extensions, full length power awning with LED lights. You got the support in the middle. Dual doors on this. So your main entry door and then a door to the bathroom, both with that Lumitread step by Lippert. The one door through the bathroom. Friction hinge on the doors, on both of them actually. Keeps them wherever you leave them. Also got the screen door. Black tank flush. Exhaust for your range. Your spray port. You got outside TV hookup as well. Large assist handle on both doors. Your model number. Again, the other side of that pass-through storage. You've got the crank for those jacks. Your brand new 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 24BSE. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, as promised, with the slides in, as you can see, you got plenty of room to get into the refrigerator. No issues. Bathroom, you can get to it from either door. And then with that slide in the bedroom, that bed folds. So you're not really doing a whole lot in here without putting the slide out. But bathroom, refrigerator, kitchen, no issues.